Today's snowstorm has many staying home, but for plow driver Leslie Urban, it's the busiest day he's had all year. While Urban says his company is keeping up with the snow, a rock salt shortage, which has been affecting the Northeast, is causing his company to use their stockpiles sparingly.
All the small storms this year, where we had to just use salt a lot just to melt stuff off, and we didn't get no accumulation, so we just ran salt. Everybody did, and now we're all paying the price for it.
Jimmy Brown, a driver with Engineers Construction, says he'll be clearing snow alongside his pup, Baradee, until 9 p.m. He says his company isn't being affected by the shortage yet, so he plans to spread salt when the roads are clear. His thoughts on the storm?
The best one we've seen in a long time.
But despite warnings from road crews, the snow isn't stopping some Burlington residents from venturing out. Steve Langoff, who braved the roads so his daughter could pick up crafting supplies, says even though he's used to driving on slushy streets,
if you don't have to go out, don't, because it's sliding. There's still a lot of plowing that has not been done.
Meanwhile, others are celebrating the snow. Seth Kudikoff is one of many touring the town in what he says is a distinctly Vermont fashion.
Snow was heavy enough that the roads, as they are right now, they are still snow covered, so it makes it easy to get around on skis.